All right, so we are recording now. My name's Deneen Lancaster. It's nice to meet everybody. I'm the program manager of the Cleveland Clinic Lerner College of Medicine of Case Western Reserve University Faculty Affairs Department. I have two coworkers that work with me. One started about a year ago and one just started about a month ago. So training them, getting them up to speed. It's a very busy department. There's actually about 600 open applications right now. Not everybody has hit submit, but it's still the volume of the department keeps growing and growing. So we're here to assist you any way we can. We do all aspects of faculty affairs. So we work on your applications, we answer your questions, we help you if you're having problems with our online application. We help you if you need to get case benefits or you want to know what they are. We help get representatives for governance at case. So we have representatives, we have academic chairs. So we just encompass everything of faculty affairs. To start right now, I'm going to play a video first, and let's just do that right now. So hopefully everybody can hear me good. If you can't hear the video, someone let me know.
I had gotten into medicine to become an academic physician. There's a hierarchy and there's a respect for titles. And to me, an academic title went without saying.
I think titles matter, and I've been asked to be a part of many national and international committees because of the title of professor.
My department chair and institute chair had been encouraging me, so now my title carries more of a mid-career weight.
There are multiple benefits when people have this academic appointment. First of all, is the pride of belonging to the faculty for the medical school. Number two is the academic prestige. Is the recognition you have outside of the Cleveland Clinic. It is a big deal nationally.
The title has brought me many, many opportunities for research.
When you need national grants and you have an academic appointment versus not having the academic appointment, that's the difference between getting the grant or not getting the grant.
When companies come to Cleveland Clinic to look for enrollment of patients in clinical trials, often they want the title when they're looking at, well, what doctors will be principal investigator. So I think it does help with that.
We are a training institution. So I think it's important for our students and residents to see us going to that next level, especially with more women being in medical school classes now.
There are very few people of color that have a professor title. People of diverse backgrounds can be professor too.
There's no doubt that students and trainees will have a different type of respect for you if you have an academic title. They know that you've earned it.
It's very important to move to the next level because this reflects the contribution you are doing to medicine.
I think it gives credence to all of the work in terms of being able to get to that level, to get the recognition for it is important.
To me, it was a natural continuation of my journey. The academic title is definitely part of who we are.